All right, let's see. All right, we're live. We're good. We're good. Hello? Hello? Okay, it's working. What's up, Diego? We got 6 people in here. Let's start running up the likes, guys. We just started stream. Gonna go over bias real quick here. We have about 15 minutes till market open. We have some orange folder at 10. Used to be a red folder news. So we will see. Not exactly a no news Monday, but not anything crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and check. Give me a second. Daily time frame. Yeah. So we're inside of a daily bearish here. Inside of a bullish gap here though. So give me a second. Let me do any. And get rid of all this extra stuff here. Okay. So we do have an SMT here, a big SMT on the daily here, or 4 hour. This big SMT could honestly just be keeping price up here. I mean, this SMT obviously pushed price up here. Sorry. We can see clearly on the hourly that we are disrespecting this gap. We were respecting this hourly gap, disrespecting this hourly gap here, right? I know these are small ones, but I'm trying to show price does look bullish here, just respecting these bullish gaps and disrespecting the bearish inside of this hourly currently. Now, I don't know if we want to like hold this hourly, don't get me wrong, but and this could have been just like, what was this? Oh, this was the 10 a.m. news on Friday. What are the 15-minute? What does a 15-minute look like? We'll set some conditions here. I want to be bullish, but the that was loud. 1 second. I want to be bullish, but you are really low coming through. Okay, wait. Can you hear me now? There's a daily bearish SMT. I don't know, not a bearish SMT. There's a bullish SMT. But I'm trying to. I want to look here. So respected this bearish, right? Respected this bearish. Continue down. So to see like a reverse to bullish order flow, I would really want to see an inverse of this 15-minute, to be honest. Do have a bullish SMT at these lows. looks pretty bearish, bro. We respected a 4 hour, yeah, but we could also be respecting this 4 hour. That's the thing. That's what I'm trying to tell you. We have another 4 hour here. So we don't really have a completely clear bias. So I'm setting a rule with this 15-minute gap here. If we close above this, we'll be clearly bullish, at least until we run like these highs. That's not narrow, but you see what I mean. We have equal highs here on the 15-minute. Don't get me wrong, these aren't the best equal highs, still. So really not the best draw, not really the best clear like draw on liquidity today. Tuesday 18th, I think it's up on NQ, but did on ES. It's talking about a high. Tuesday the 19th. Yeah, but that's gonna be a daily SMT. That's not on the daily time frame. There's no daily high that got swept that didn't get swept. That'll be like a 4 hour, 3 hour. Or 4 hour, 1 hour, sorry. Higher time frame, but if it's not on the daily. Gosh, dude. So I was trying to open up Discord. What's up, bro?
Oh.
Where are you? Where are you?
Where am I?
Yeah.
I'm on my way home.
All right.
You said you're bullish?
I would say there's kind of like a 50-50 bias right now. We're delivering out of a 4 hour gap, a full hour bearish and a 4 hour bullish at the same time. Kind of formed some LRL at these highs here. So if we inverse this 15-minute, then I would look for the long.
So we inverse 15, you're looking for longs?
Yeah. It's kind of a weird bias today. A tricky bias today, yeah.
It is.
So I'm waiting for this.
I came up more bearish just by looking at the stuff. I mean,
well, yeah, it looks bearish as well. Like it looks bearish on the lower time, like certain time frames look bearish, certain time frames look bullish. That's why I'm saying I'm pretty much neutral. But if we inverse the 15-minute, then I'll be looking for longs. So I'd want some confirmation that we're going to be bullish here, which is why I would want.
You said there was a bearish gap we inversed, or a bullish gap that we inversed, or no? Or we're just respecting the bullish one?
We haven't inversed the 4 hour bullish gap yet, or the hourly.
Yeah. It's a big gap though. 4 hour.
There's a big gap.
Yeah, some would say massive.
Bruh. Okay. Yeah, bro. But yeah, definitely kind of a tricky bias today, guys. Just gonna have to wait for some confirmation here. Guys, can we run up the likes? We had 3 likes. We've been on stream for a little bit now. We put up our bias already. Let's see if we can hit 10 likes. Definitely just seeing if this 15-minute inverse is here.
Guys, dropping a like on the live enters you in the Logan Trades 2000
Bro,
subscriber giveaway.
Shut up. No, it doesn't. I'm not doing a subscriber giveaway, guys. Please don't listen.
We are giving away 2,000 funded accounts, 50K accounts from Apex once he hits 2K subs.
Bro. Guys, please don't listen to him. Bro, Supreme needs to hurry up and update the website so I can order socks.
You need to order socks from Supreme?
Yeah.
Why?
Because those are the socks I mainly wear, the black ones.
For the ones that go like halfway up your shin?
Yeah, my socks are all ripped right now. Or not all of them, but. Okay, this could be a good sign here. We do want this to close above.
What are you looking at, 15?
Yeah. Do you wait for market open before going long? Or just once the inverse happens? Well, the 15-minute is just going to be like a bias thing. Just like a confirmation. We have a bullish SMT here as well.
Do we have equal lows down there or no?
No, we have an SMT at the lows, which would push us up.
ES took it out?
Yeah. The recent low?
Yeah, the one that's at 6 a.m. or so.
Yeah.
I mean, there's really no other lows unless you go like days ago. Actually, this is like 2 days ago.
Guys, we're at 8 likes. Could we get 2 more? Just 2 more. Just 2 more. But you guys are going crazy on that recent video where I posted the live execution. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, we got one more like.
1,400 followers. And that, bro, the trade execution's at 3,200 views, bro. That's insane.
Would you hop in at market open on something like this or no? I mean, we don't enter off of 15. Never mind.
Swamp Izzo. Bro, like Reezy's actually one of the best songs of the year, bro. Ian, you heard me? Like Weezy is one of the best songs of the year.
That's okay. That's okay. I don't hate that, but
All right, I want to see the close on this 15-minute here. Also watching market open, so. Honestly, if we close above this 15-minute, we're probably just going to run to those equal highs. That's my prediction. Of course, I'm not taking a trade here because of that, but that's just my guess. Because we could just Judas swing. So I'm not entering a trade on that, but let's see. That's my prediction. Oh, my prediction was right.
Where are these equal highs? At London highs?
We already ran the equal highs.
Oh, those equal highs.
Yeah, there were equal highs on the 15-minute.
Yeah, I see that.
No, the London one's not equal highs. The London one's higher than the high left of it.
Okay.
So
London one looks lower to the one left of it.
Are you on MNQ?
I'm on MNQU 2025.
Yeah, look at NQU.
That way? Okay, okay. I'm not doing that on the phone, though. I'll do it on my computer. I'm about to be home.
Okay. We're waiting for a pullback sweep. We kind of just hit the draw I had marked out. Oh my gosh, dude. What a crazy 930 wick. What a crazy 930 wick there. So what are you looking for? Well, the draw I had marked out, those equal highs, got hit when we inversed the 15-minute. So no setup there. I had the right draw, but no setup. Now we just formed a new SMT at these lows. And we just ran all the sell side here. So we just ran out like every target at the beginning of market open, bro. What are we doing?
What is going on? Yeah, what is this?
We ran out all the buy side and the sell side. We still have London highs. We just formed a new SMT at the lows. And honestly, we could look for something maybe running up to the 930 high here. But like, damn, what is going on right now? But that's cool. I had the right draw there. We did not hit a gap there. Or we actually did hit an hourly gap there. So we were delivering off of something, but no entry.
I want to make some burgers today.
I made some yesterday, but burgers are so good.
I think I'm going to.
I heard somewhere
Actually,
on
not too hot
Instagram.
right now.
I heard something on Instagram about like price was going to be more volatile this week. I don't know what his reasoning was for it, but So we do have like this possible setup. So we do have this potential long setup here. Now, don't really know how much I like this. Yes, we have equal highs here. Could target like 930 high. I don't really know how much I like this, to be honest. We don't have like there would be the entry there, but I don't really like this. And then that would be break even there. Let's see if this hits break even. What'd you say, Ian?
You have a 30-second or something right now?
Yeah, there's a 30-second, but I didn't take it. I mean, 30-second Judas swing setup. Yeah, dude, it's working. Damn, dude. Could have taken that. Whatever. I hope it's break even. Am I live every day? Yeah.
You're not taking this?
Let's say I'm working on.
I already missed it. It would have been break even. Let's see. Where's 1R? It didn't partials yet. So if it still comes down here, it would be break even. How long have I been profitable? Just for a while. A little bit. Please don't hit this, dude.
I was preying on the downfall of anyone that took this trade, bro. That's kind of crazy.
We have multiple SMTs at the lows, so I wouldn't be surprised if this works, but well, it just ran into the highest time frame gap. So if this highest time frame gap doesn't inverse, that's why it would have been break even.
Why don't you just FOMO and enter like right now for long?
Bro, shut up, bro.
But you're gonna miss the trade, dude.
Dude, I don't think this is gonna. I don't think this is gonna go break even.
You do not. Doesn't matter, bro. Turn your. Actually, I can pull up your stream. I just wanted to see a 30-second. See those watch hours.
You give me those watch hours, bro. This is the 1R. The target would have been this 930 high for a full TP.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And then the break even would have been at these equal highs here because there's a 2-minute gap there as well that could hold. And then partials at 1R, which is why I have 1R marked out.
Okay.
I just want to see if it's partials or goes break even. I want this to go break even so bad. Okay. Dude, yeah, this is gonna hit.
No, it honestly looks pretty solid. So what made you not take it?
The fact that it was a 30
it doesn't
second.
look like. Oh, now it hit. What do you say?
I hit it. It's like a mix of things, bro. It's like everything just looks so bearish.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. 2-minute just inverse there. So there would be the highest time frame inverse, but it wouldn't be in the leg. Highest time frame would have been here. The SMT targeting 930 high. This could still go break even, but I highly doubt it. The only way I find this going break even now is if ES takes out a 930 high and NQ doesn't want to.
And the hourlies seem to be holding. Can't tell.
Or
but...
now. Yeah. The hourly to the left also seemed to be holding earlier, though. Yeah. So that's another reason. I don't know. I was just like, I was kind of sketched.
Wait, which hourly? The bearish or the bullish hourly?
Bearish one, 5 a.m. ES took the target. So this one would 100% be like stop loss at break even at this point if you didn't move it at the first 2-minute gap. Kind of annoyed I didn't take this one, to be honest, because it's a really good setup.
Yeah, I'm surprised you didn't take it, but don't let it bother you, bro. Don't worry about that.
No, really.
Well, knowing you, bro, you start to target that shelf in
Right.
the corner of your face cam. But every time that shelf hears you
Yes.
take a losing trade, it just
Yes.
fears for its life, bro.
What show? Oh.
Look at the little
Yeah.
metal rack.
Yes.
Bro, what is wrong with you? You're actually like,
Look, he's coming back to break even.
did you take it out on ES?
Yeah, I did take it out on ES.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe. So that's just terrible of you to pray for that, bro. You're preying on people's downfalls. It's actually kind of wild. But if one of your viewers got in on this trade,
No. Keep going down. Keep dumping. I'm a D1
use a
hater
magnet,
right
bro.
now.
Use a
I'm a
magnet.
D1 hater. Yeah, I'm gonna use the magnet, guys. We're gonna pull out the magnets here. No, bro, the magnet's not working, Ian. Why would you do that? Why would you
It's
tell
too
me to use the
small. It's too
magnet?
small. No, it's working. You just put it there. See? It's too small. Fine, I'll put a magnet. I think you need to put Manny Heffley too.
But when you said Manny heavily, bro, my first thought was like Manny from Diary of a Wimpy Kid.
That's what it is, bro.
No, I'm bro. Wasn't Manny the name of that dude you told me to look up yesterday?
No.
What was his name?
I don't know.
No, the car dude.
Oh, yeah, Manny something.
Yeah, exactly, bro. That's what I was talking about. Obviously, Manny Heffley's from Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I'm talking about the guy, the car guy. Bro, I'm preying on the downfall of this trade. I mean, you could have taken full TP at the for 1.4 R.
Yes.
That's what. Yeah, that's what I. No, that's not what I would have done. I probably would have waited for it to hit on NQ. I don't know. I will not know because I'm not in the trade. So
Don't worry about this trade. Worry about the next trades.
I'm watching, but we haven't gotten anything yet.
There's a 1 minute fair value gap.
We're not delivering off anything.
It's too bad, bro.
We haven't swept anything, and we're not delivering off of anything. And there's an SMT at the target, so it's just kind of a stupid trade to take. And that would be a revenge trade because of missing the first one. I'm just praying on the downfall of this trade.
Entering off that inverse to the high?
Yeah.
I would not enter off that.
I was hoping not.
That would also be like, I don't know where your stop loss would be, but that would be terrible RR.
Yeah. I'm just praying for the downfall of this trade right now. And then we could look maybe for a 10 a.m. reversal if we resweep the sell side here. Maybe soup the sell side. Oh, no. Please fail. Please fail. Fail, please.
Yo, why on earth is my fib retracement tool upside down? Oh, never mind.
Yes. Run to the break even, please. Stop hunt the break even. Stop hunt the break. And stop hunt the break even.
Bro sent us an ad.
I did not.
Like an ad about beginner Tai Chi, bro.
Ian, look, it doesn't even let me do that right now.
Read your chat, bro.
There's no one in chat. Look at my screen share. Look, it doesn't even let me do that.
Oh.
It just says the regular ones. It says enable monetization to insert ads, but it says there's already ads on. I don't know. Yes. We stop under the break even. Let's go. Wait, I'm sorry if anybody in here took that, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I just prayed
Yeah,
on
you
your
just lost,
downfall.
like, yeah, you just lost like so many viewers, bro. It would have been partial anyways, though. I'm assuming, right?
Yeah, or full TP at the SMT for 1.4 hour. We could hope for a 10 a.m. open, low, high close.
Open low, high close, or open high, low, close?
Open, low, high close, which would be a 10 a.m. reversal to the upside. Open, low, then high, then close.
Bro, can you believe that Angel Batista's the Bay Harbor Butcher?
Shut up. You're killing my brain, man. Bro, can you believe Tim Cheese killed John Pork? Yo, Ian.
Yeah.
Can you believe Tim Cheese killed John Pork?
Yeah. Bro, you were like 2 years late.
No,
John Pork
bro.
died like a year and a half ago, bro.
I know, bro. But listen, bro. Listen, bro. That guy on TikTok is so funny. That guy on TikTok is so funny. That old guy. He's making me reminisce, Ian. Just let me reminisce. Let me reminisce. I'm using my big words from English class. Like top ticked with SMT. Yeah, I'm assuming he took TP. I don't know. I'm assuming you're saying you did this. Just take TP at the SMT.
Can we take out these lows?
Yeah. Good for those.
Bro, I didn't know you can just click and drag to change the like the sidebars, like the height and stuff of the candles, bro. I've been using scroll wheel and spamming it this whole time.
You're an idiot.
Shut your bitch ass up, bro. Are you family friendly here?
Bro, why are you playing with scissors again?
No, I was actually cutting this paper.
Playing with scissors. But we took out like every draw now. And we still have the draws on the highs on NQ, but ES already took all of them out. You want us to sweep the sell side first?
No, we were just edging it, bro. We were so close.
Bro, Ian, if you had to scroll, why didn't you just do like, why didn't you just turn off like the thing that stops your scroll wheel and just like throw your scroll
My
wheel?
mouse is like doesn't do that right. It's like almost broken. That button's weird. This mouse is so old. This thing is falling apart.
Yeah, well, my mouse works fine. I had to grab this mouse out of my closet because I like dumped water over my other mouse.
Yeah.
So, but this is why I was thinking about not longing that. Look, we were holding that gap and we're still holding that gap.
Yeah.
But we had a
that one-
SMT at
okay,
the
yeah.
highs because ES took it. So that I feel like that's
Wait,
the
which
only
gap
reason
are
we
you
were
talking
doing
about? The 1 hour?
that. Yeah, the 1 hour, 5 a.m. candle. Honestly, I hope we kind of just generate liquidity at these highs. News gives us some momentum. We dump down, seek us outside, and then get along to generated liquidity with open, low, high, close. That's honestly like leaving highs up here. We just like leave this last high, down, leave high again, and then like I don't know, chop before news. News dumps us down. We get along, something like that. Be really good. It's only an orange folder, so I'm not thinking it's gonna give us like a data wick or anything, but it's definitely gonna give us some volatility, hopefully. Damn, we have 42 concurrent viewers. Damn. What the hell? That's crazy. Dude, this higher time frame is just so bad right now. We're holding gaps in both directions, SMTs on both sides. It's just
I know it's rough. It's rough.
I wish we would have taken that 30-second full TP at the SMT at the highs and we wouldn't have to deal with sitting through this. Yeah,
Shoulda,
hopefully
coulda,
we get
woulda.
something. Well, yeah, obviously, and I know that. But yeah, hopefully we get something with like this 10 a.m. here. Maybe we get a 10 a.m. reversal off of these lows or
Are
something.
you gonna enter on or would you be in something on this news? Or are you gonna wait for news?
Well, it's only orange folder, but I'm preferring.
It used to be red, right?
Wait, yeah, it used to be red. I'm preferring we generate liquidity at the highs, and then news will give us the volatility to take us outside.
Yeah.
Nice. So we left those highs there. Wait, oh, that was 1 month, bro. What?
You're looking at the monthly chart.
Yeah, I did not mean to do that.
Kind of crazy.
No, I just typed in 1M and it took me to the month.
Yeah, we have a monthly fair value gap that we're kind of
Respecting.
yeah. No, we just formed one 2 months ago. Kind of in it right now.
Are you thinking about entering on the weekly SMT?
No, so dang, bro.
What?
At 22, bro, at 22,000 flat, there's a monthly fair value gap that we can target.
For a Mac
I think
model?
it's a good target. Yeah, mech model to the monthly fair value gap. You know, highest time frame possible.
So, what is it, the daily or the weekly for the entry?
Ooh. Take a look. Yeah, we have an entry on the daily actually. Just give it like 7 hours. We're gonna form a gap.
6 or 7 minutes till news. 6, 7 minutes till news. Ian, 6, 7 minutes till news.
I heard you the first time.
Bro, the first time I was reading it off chat, bro. just reading off chat the first time. You don't have to be such a bully. 1 minute gap. Well, I'm not looking to take anything here. We've just been chopping here. You might be looking at MNQ. That might be why I don't have it. If you're looking at NQ, then well, I'm looking at NQ. But
I don't really see anything on M&Q.
or you're looking at NQ1. That might be why. I'm looking at NQU. It's the seasonal contract. What's the difference? One's like the permanent contract that stays there forever, and one's the seasonal. The seasonal one just tends to have more volume. I tend to look at NQ1 if we ever have like dump down to and we don't have any targets to the left, like when we dumped to 17K in like February and March. I looked at in Q1 to look for liquidity to the left, to look for liquidity sweeps. And QU is futures? Yeah, it's futures. Dude, we're taking out all the liquidity that I had marked to the left, or that I wanted to leave on the left. We're not leaving anything, bro. Are we serious?
Market open. ES already took market open, though, right?
Yeah. I just passed my 50K eval. I'm thinking of dropping out of school to do this full time, but I need to have more backup this career and make it legit. Let me know your thoughts. Well, I wouldn't just drop out because you passed a 50K eval. It's definitely rushing it. We'll drop out based off of 50K, bro. Get at least 10K a year. 10K a year is not really anything. Dropping out after one eval is the move.
I agree. I'm not gonna lie, dude. The other day, I full ported my eval on news, and I passed it. And bro, I'm just quit my job. Dropped out in the spot.
Guys, do what Ian did. We'll put your account on news, and then if it wins, just like drop out and quit your job and everything.
Yeah, I would also buy an extremely nice sports car, something German, high maintenance cost too.
So you put yourself in debt, and you have to keep trading to pay off the bills.
Exactly.
So it can, exactly.
Like, bro, once I take my first payout, bro, $500. I think I'm putting a down payment on something like a maybe like a GT3 RS.
That's valid. That's valid. Honestly, I want to see the close on this hourly.
Which hourly are you looking at?
Oh my gosh, the same one I've been looking at all day. The 5 a.m. candle. If we closed above on this hourly,
okay. There's
then
two
I'm gonna
right
be
there,
bullish
though.
here. I'm gonna be bullish here if we close above. Yep, there we go.
What about the one like right above? Oh, we closed the one
We
above the
looked-
one right above too.
All right, so now my
like that.
draw on liquidity.
Oh.
Okay, we're going to run to my draw with news. Okay, nice. Just took out everything. You just took out everything. We have nothing to look for now. Great.
It's not too late for that. The monthly fair value gap, bro.
I was gonna say we could look for a short delivering off this hourly, but news just took out the liquidity and is already delivering off the hourly. Bro's asking for a short, like we have anything to target for a short yet. We haven't formed anything. News just.
Why don't you teach him instead of just disrespecting your viewers?
Shut your bitch ass up, bro. We look, you left the data high here. AM lows? No, I would have looked for like a mech model here, but didn't get anything. Let me get rid of this SMT. I mean, it wouldn't be bad, bro, but we already took sell side. And the data high is a protected high too, so that's kind of a meh type of thing. Maybe if we form this 5 minute here, deliver out the 5 minute and get along to data high, that could be good. But dude, that news messed it up, bro. News always is just gonna like unless it's like CPI, like one of the huge ones, it's just gonna move where price wants to go. Check out our draw. Too far in premium for longs. That's why I said if we form this 5 minute here, we could look for like that.
You looking on NQU?
What?
You looking on? What are you looking on? NQU?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I was on ES, bro. Never mind.
We're delivering at the 2 minute here. Just no gap. Maybe delivering off the data highs. If we sweep the data highs, we could get a mech model if we form the 5 minute. So 2 possibilities here. We sweep data high, mech model to for shorts, or we come back to the 5 minute after we form it and get a long. 2 options here, guys. We'll see what we get. It's 15 minutes to tap into above data high too. Yeah, that's low key. I'd prefer sweep of data high than mech model.
Is that not the same thing? Sweep of data high and then.
What? I said delivery off the 5 minute and long to data high, or sweep of the data high and short like
And then
mech
mech-
model.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Never mind. No, I thought you said you'd rather prefer a sweep of data high than
I
the
would
mech
prefer
model.
that over. No, I'd prefer the mech model over the long
Yeah.
because the data high,
Even though you're
short to
bearish,
high,
or
and
even though
sell
you're
again.
bullish right now.
No, I was
Or,
bullish for
well,
that buy
all
side. I
your
already
stuff
took out the
got
buy
taken
side.
out. Yeah.
Oh, dude, I'm just a genius, and I called out what 9:30 open was gonna do. 9:30 open took my target, and then same thing with 10 a.m. open.
Are you delivering off of anything for
I'm
the
just a
mech
genius.
model? The hourly?
Yeah, the hourly gap.
Okay.
Just 15 minutes to tap into above the data high as well. Yeah, that one's a little far though. Honestly, I feel like best case scenario would have saved mental capital if we had just caught that first one, but we gotta
Yeah.
lock in and catch this
We
one.
just took out data highs.
Yep. So we're gonna look to see if we deliver off this hourly gap here. I'll mark out that 15 minute. That what's his name?
5 or
said?
15?
15 a little bit above.
Okay, yeah.
I'll mark that out, see if we tap it. It could be a good spot for reversal.
Just form. Never mind. I'm dumb.
Yeah, no.
Not form
I
anything,
know
bro.
you're dumb. We formed a 30
30
second.
second.
I'll go ahead and mark out the 30
Yeah.
second here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I need to open up.
You're targeting that cap.
Bro, I'm not even logged in.
Yo.
What is going on today, dude? I couldn't have caught that setup earlier if I wanted to.
There's a tiny 1 minute gap.
How big is it?
Not massive.
Okay, bro.
It's tiny.
It's less than a point.
Ed, what you think? What are you at? Why is my RR so much higher? I'm at like 1.9. What are you? Oh no, it looks similar. Let's see. I really want the 30 second, dude. It's annoying.
2 minutes? Someone said 2 minute? Yeah, we haven't formed it yet, but if we do form it, that would be highest time frame.
Yeah, a minute.
What's up?
I was looking at how long you had for the 2 minute to form.
Someone said we're gonna put in a 4 minute. Yeah, we would put in a 4 minute at the same time. But 5 minute? No, not 5 minute. But yeah, we would put in a 4 minute at the same time. Okay, so we put in the 4 minute there. This is gonna suck having to wait for a 4 minute close. Dude, and the stop's gonna be all the way up here.
But yeah, it's not. Go back to the 4 real quick.
4 is all the way down here, dude.
Oh, yeah, that's bad.
Yeah. Honestly, the move here. Wait. Okay, there we go. Honestly, the move here might be London highs. Would we have an hourly gap to deliver off of if we swept London highs? No, maybe 15 minute. Damn, dude. Not delivering off of anything for London highs. We got 5 minutes to close for this 15 minute. If we close above, dude, We're just pumping through this hourly. If we close above this 15-minute, and honestly, I'd be looking for those London highs, dude. Yeah, there's nothing here to look for a short for this mech model. Seems like we're just gonna run to it. And I marked out the recent 5-minute here. We have no gaps whatsoever to look for here. Unless we get a manipulation leg here. Wait for 5-minute iFVG? What do you mean? I wouldn't enter off the 5-minute iFVG now. I would have looked for a setup to it. I would have looked for like this, but we didn't get anything. That'd have been like one arm. We haven't gotten anything. We could get like a new leg here. Resweep of the highs. Let's tap into 5. Tap into 5 and long to London highs. Yeah, we just haven't had any confirmation that we're bullish here. 15-minute hasn't closed above on anything. So I'm hesitating to be bullish here. A tiny 1-minute? Where? Are you talking about for longs? I wouldn't look for that. I'm looking for shorts to this. Unless we prove otherwise in 2 minutes by closing above this 15-minute. All right, I'm gonna grab a water since we don't have any sit up here.
All right.
Long to London high potential. Well, we haven't tapped into the 5-minute yet, and we also haven't closed above this 15-minute yet. So I want to see us close above this 15-minute if we're truly going to be bullish here. Definitely does not seem like we're going to close above it though. Oh my gosh, dude, this price action is horrible. It makes sense we're outside the macro.
This 15 to pump and close or something, bro.
We're really close. We were really close. We pumped up there, but
Yeah, I know.
we didn't close above. Okay, so we reached up the highs. Possible 30-second mech model here.
There is a 30-second. Oh, never mind. It's not formed. You're looking at the other one.
30 second did form, yeah. Honestly, seems like I would have to take this on NQ. We close above on the 5-minute at least. No time frames closed above it, so we don't even have any confirmation bullish here. We just formed a 1-minute here as well. Definitely seems like the 1-minute would be the move here.
Got a close below or no?
Let
No.
me check NQ.
Doesn't look like it.
Yeah, NQ closed below there.
NQ did?
Yeah, I don't really know how much I like this though. Just
I
how
don't know, I
bullish
don't.
we are. I'll just forward test this one, I guess. I mean, this could still work, but I'll just forward test this. I closed below on NQ, but because I feel like we're bullish here, but we just don't have any confirmation for it. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
no. I did not feel like shorting right now.
Yeah, I'd rather stick out this London high. If we would have gotten a
Exactly,
better
yeah.
reaction off of the 15-minute, like an instant reaction,
Yeah.
then I would have liked it. But
I would look for shorts if we take out London highs. I don't know about before.
well, before I would have liked it if we delivered off the hourly and the 15-minute better.
Yeah.
Okay, we might inverse again, putting in an OB here, but this risk to reward would just be horrible. Okay, it's just gonna dump to our TP. That's crazy. Just kind of hoping my judgment would save us here. Oh, maybe it does. No OB formed. No OB formed there. Maybe the judgment does save us. I gotta
Bro,
change my
also,
diary.
if you don't think it's a good trade, that's all that matters if you don't enter.
Well, yeah,
if it
no,
happened to
I'm
work
hoping my
out, that doesn't
judgment
mean
works.
that you fucked up.
Yeah, obviously. The only thing I did by messing up was not taking the trade earlier. That was like
Your camera die?
yeah. I'm changing the battery real quick.
Okay.
Bro, I've been wearing this like every day while trading. I like just wake up, throw it on while trading, and then I change and get ready for the day. It's like my
What?
the Young LA shirt that I got from the event.
Oh.
It's just annoying, dude. What are we doing today, bro? That's such a bearish close, dude. This is definitely gonna hit. There's nothing to stop us from hitting this.
Or just enter right now.
Well, you could enter on a limit order here.
I would wait to take
Gosh,
out
man.
London highs to short here.
Well, we just tapped into the OB, which is why we'd be delivering really hard right now. Because we formed an OB right there. And that's what's pushing us back down again. So it wouldn't have been a bad entry. You got a 1 minute break even? Why would you go break even? Yeah, see, Ian, I was saying I could have entered there.
You could have,
And that would have been full TP. That's great. We missed 2 full TPs today so far. You want to miss another one, Ian? You want to try to miss another full TP, Ian?
Yeah.
Made internal when break even when it took it. Okay. Sure. I wouldn't have went break even there, but we don't even have anything to long to dead eye or to not dead eyes, but London eyes. Just tapped into the 5 minute
Is there a
W
30 second?
preserving capital.
Or no? Nope.
No, there's no
There's
30
not.
second.
Yeah, the 5 minute could have.
It would say go break even. Yeah, but that's not with that specific setup. And also that's like a way to get stopped at break even really early. I mean that one, I guess you could say that because it was really close to TP, but not with that specific setup. I don't normally go break even with that. There's nowhere really to go break even with that setup. Ian,
What?
never mind. What's up, Lucky Gupta? So we're just waiting for London sweep then to short. Bro, I don't even know at this point, bro. We've literally just went back and forth all day, and this is so annoying because I missed 2 setups. I was gonna enter a limit here when we after we formed the OB. How am I doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Just a little annoyed, that's it. I mean, I'm happy about the fact that every draw that I've called has been hit, so my draws have been right. It's just annoying that we haven't caught any trades to anything. Bro, why, like, Ian, look at the 1 minute, bro. Like, this is so
1 minute?
trash PA, bro. Look at the 1 minute. This is so trash. Look at all the wicks. We have, like, no candles. It's all just wicks.
Yeah.
Maybe we get another mech model sweeping London high after we sweep London high. I just like the market to do something, bro. What if we catch a long to London high? That could be good, but we have no gaps here, dude. All wicks. Even the 30-second is all wicks, bro. I mean, actually, there's a little bit more bodies on the 30-second, but it's all just chop, dude. After the macro ended 10-10, it just straight up started chopping.
Your chop too, bro.
All right, bro. I'm gonna come after you, bro. I'm gonna come after you. With a U, bro. Come with a U. I'm gonna come after you.
It's crazy.
Come with a U. See you,
You're not getting monetized this one.
Oh my gosh. Look for longs below 23.5. Have you taken the trade yet? No. I missed two, bro. So now we're just sitting here. What the hell? Did not click that. Missed this one. Only 1 hour. Well, that's negative. 1 hour would have been here, but entry 1 hour. And there was a 30-second down here. That was looking for that. Stop loss was here. And full TP would have been at the SMT here. We cannot hear you. Bro, you're average gamer. I think you're the only one that says you can't hear me. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm not trying to be mean, bro, but I feel like you're the only one that says that. But what are the chances we even leave a target for a mech model? Oh yeah, I was a little bit far from my mic just there, but what are the chances we even leave a 5-minute for mech model here? We still have 30 minutes, but my voice is indeed not loud enough. Why did it turn down, bro? I turn it, yeah. Months wise, I said a couple months. I don't know exactly how long, but just a couple months. Looking for prior bar low. What? Bro, why is there? Oh my gosh, dude. Ian, we could have been done right now. What are you doing? Ian, what are you
Watching
doing?
this, bro.
Watching what? Lock in.
Bro, I'm watching the candles. There's like nothing
Oh.
going on there. I'm just sitting here.
Oh, I thought you were
Like,
watching
staring at the wall.
YouTube. This is
No.
horrible, bro. This is like watching paint dry right now. We might be cooked today, bro. We might be cooked today. There's been 2 opportunities and we missed both of them. And I'm not saying this to be like emotional. I'm literally saying like statistically we might not get another setup. So I don't want to force anything if we don't get anything.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, it's still annoying that we watched 2 of them play out, you know, but ow. Dude, how do I get this off, bro? Need to get this band-aid off of my hand. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, I do, bro. Can you come lick it for me?
Lick, bro. I'm not a dog.
Can you give it a little kiss for me? Oh, this price action's so bad. Dude, yeah, dude. Remember when did I tell you? Do you remember I crushed my nail or my hand between 2 carts and I had like a hematoma
Yeah.
under my nail? It's still there and the nail's about to fall off, but it's still connected to some skin. And yesterday I woke up when I was sleeping and it like pulled the nail and now the whole under part of my nail started bleeding when I woke up yesterday. So I went to sleep with a band-aid on it to keep it from catching on something. Bro, I don't know how the lady from Oh, wait. Would that be a spoiler? No, I don't know how the lady from Hunter x Hunter just ripped her fingernails off. You heard me? Ian?
Yeah.
But that would be so painful, dude. Because this hurts, bro. Bro, like, oh my gosh. Like, you remember in Attack on Titan when they were torturing and they would, like, pull the nails off?
Yeah.
Or, like, you remember, bro, you remember the poop machine from Attack on Titan? Yeah. You don't remember that?
No, I don't.
Bro. You don't remember this?
I'm not looking at your thing. Hold on.
Wait, it's not a poop one, bro. Wait.
I have no clue what you're talking about.
Bro, look at my screen share. You don't remember this? Bro, it's like you don't remember this torture chair in Attack on Titan?
No.
Bro, what I don't even know what it was used for. This is the only scene that you saw it. What does it even do?
Bro, it tells you to watch the charts.
But what do you like? Do you think they poured water in this? But we don't have anything. We're going back and forth right now. Yeah, they poured water in it. Let me read this Reddit discussion on it. Read Reddit on it. While we're sitting here looking at nothing.
Stream before opening Reddit.
What, you want to sit here and read this with me?
I don't got anything else to do.
Bruh. Says, dread it, run from it. The shit machine still arrives. And what a glorious sight it is. What?
What?
Bro, it's worse than I expected. The tube leads from, bro. So when you piss, it goes in your mouth, bro. What is going on, bro? That's like a crazy torture machine, bro. Bro, we're still, bro, doing nothing. Womp womp. It didn't explain anything.
Oh my goodness, we're going to London highs.
Oh, yeah, finally, bro. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. Oh my Lanta.
And we don't have a mech model to use either for this.
Like there's no target or there's no higher time frame
No,
delivery.
no target for a mech model.
Yeah, no.
Higher time frame would be if we soup the
What about
London
that?
high.
What about that lower
Bro, ES, bro, ES ran the draw that I marked earlier for that 30-second, and it just like shit itself after that. Look at ES. ES is worse than NQ right now. You see it?
Yeah.
You see the big wick that hit
They're all wicks.
the
Yeah,
10
they hit
a.m.
the
the
high.
10 a.m. news, the 10 a.m. news, and then it just shit itself. What is going on today, bro? We're at 16 likes, bro. Let's go, dude. Let's go.
Yo, why not?
Go.
Can't you target that 5 minute?
The 5 minutes
You
already
know?
filled.
The other 5 minute.
No, that's not the recent 5 minute.
Oh.
SMT at highs.
Is it most
Oh, yeah,
recent
but
gap or
that's
is it the
The external. That's a SMT doesn't matter. Not every SMT is built the same. Oh. Every SMT. Bro, what if I did like a TikTok like that? Not every SMT is built the same. Learn to spot the good SMT.
if you did a TikTok where you just go to a mall and scream?
Shut up, bro. But that was so long ago. That was so long ago, dude. Bro, can't wait for this nail to fall off, bro. Oh, yeah. This is so nice. If we inverse here, we would be putting in an OB. So I kind of hope we inverse this 15-minute. Guys, everybody just actually wait. No, if I say that, people will actually use that against me. People will do it, and then they'll like sue me for financial advice. I was gonna say everybody full port if we close above the 15-minute here.
No,
Everybody full port
disclaimer,
to
guys,
buy
this is
some.
not financial advice.
All right, I got you. Everybody full port to the London highs when we inverse above the 15-minute because it will form an order block. And it will guaranteed work.
Okay.
100%. 0% chance you'd lose your money here, guys.
0% chance. That sounds like a good deal, bro.
Bro, look
My
at this
golly.
stream though. Look at this stream though.
You need to put that instead of liquidity, bro. Logan Trades, not financial advice. iFVG's psychology.
Bro. $30-second long? Bro. What are we doing, chat? Chat, what are we doing? What are we doing talking about a 30-second long in this chop?
What is TS chop right now, bro? TS chop PMO.
I have an idea. I'll tell you after stream. I have a really good idea though.
Okay.
Me in?
Yeah.
I'll DM it to you real quick. Don't say
Yeah,
no.
there low-key is a 30-second long. Oh my goodness. Just kidding. That's not even a guess.
Order filled.
Bruh. Yeah, we have nothing today. I'm assuming after getting 2 moves, it just doesn't make sense to get anything else here. Don't get me wrong, you could have looked for something off the SMT there, but I didn't really mess with the SMT. Doesn't really make sense for that to be like an important SMT there. Because price is just chopping on both. We've had SMTs on both sides all day.
Bro, ES is actually crazy right now.
Yeah, ES is literally doing nothing. We have 5 minutes until the macro, and I'm assuming we're going to get nothing here, which is fine. Something I learned from last week, Ian, I'm not going to lie, and I'm going to say it on stream here because I want it to help you guys too. Screw Monday, there was 2 wins today. People be like, no, girl, you're not getting that high.
Bro.
Bruh.
Are you serious?
But someone told me look at 15-second. What are we doing, chat? Chat, what are we doing? Really,
There's low-key a 5-second gap, but you could enter off of right here for a long.
Shit, bro. Let's look.
Would you enter off of a 1 second?
Bro, yeah, bro. Let's guys, everybody, let's just all just drop down to the 1 second. Let's be honest, bro. If you're not trading 1 second, what are you doing? Guys, 1 minute for value gap. 1 minute or 1 second for value gap. 1 second. Ooh, 1 second. Better form 1 second iFVG here, maybe. With the liquidity sweep of these equal lows. Okay, we haven't closed above. We haven't closed above yet, guys. Guys, we haven't closed above yet. We're okay. Inverse. Okay. Break even there. The internal high. Targeting the highs here. Targeting highs. Ah, break even. Damn. Okay. Let's look for this next one. See if we sweep this outside. Okay, we sweep outside. 1 second gap here. Let's look for the inverse. Okay, we're gonna look for here. Stop loss at the low. We didn't get an inverse there. Okay, we reswap low. Okay, inverse. I'm in here. 1 second inverse. Oh, I stopped out. Okay. Yes, guys, stay locked in. Okay, we're having a pretty big move down here. Let's say we look for a 2 second gap here. Oh no! Oh! Look at the volatility. Okay, enter here. Long. We inverse all these gaps here. We're looking for like these equalize right here. We just inverse like all this right here. Just inversed everything. And choose right here. Oh! Looking for the equalize. Negative R. Come on. Looking for the negative R here. We are looking for a negative R here. Targeting these equalize. Come on. Shit, bro. What are we doing? Oh! Ian, look at this W. Look at the stream for a W.
Bro, I'm not looking at this, bro.
But look at this.
It's gonna be brain rot.
Make sure everybody caught that with me. Ian, do you see this?
Bro.
Targeting these equal highs. Look, valid, right?
Bro, the amount of gaps is crazy. Bro, this looks like a crypto like.
Bro, we did not close above the 15-minute, bro. Look at the wick on the 15-minute. Look at this. Yeah, someone in chat said meme coin chart.
Yeah, but someone in chat said this guy really needs a haircut. Yeah.
Bro, what are you, bro? You were saying that like for the last like couple of days,
Bro, it's
bro.
chat, bro, not me.
Bro, no, there was one dude, bro, and it was my friend that said that like a week ago, bro, and you're still holding on to it.
Am I dragging it on?
Yes, you're dragging it.
Bro, but the meme is still massive.
The meme is not massive, bud. The meme is not massive.
Bro, this is the 5th ad I've gotten on your stream.
Is it actually? Is it actually?
Yes.
Bro, there's no way. Guys, did anybody else get out there?
Bro.
Pokey gotta be lying because it wasn't even letting me send out ads. Ow. Someone said they have an ad block. You're the reason my monetization rate is so low. Anyways, I'm just messing with you. Okay. Low high. Come on. Please give me one and highs. Please give me one and highs. You got a sweet talk NQ, guys. Can I please get one and highs? Oh.
Worked.
Oh, people are gonna clip that.
It worked. Bro, nobody's clipping, bro.
Bro, I know.
London Eyes.
Bro, you know what more in my server?
Yeah.
Bro, Amore would clip that, bro. Amore has a clip of me saying, like, You know the anime where it's like called My Little Sister Can't Be This Cute or whatever?
Yo,
Bro,
yo.
listen. You know that anime, right?
I'm not listening to anything, bro. What are you
No,
talking
no.
about?
You don't know that anime, bro? I haven't watched it, but you know that anime, right? Bro, it's like I only know it because everybody posts about it because of the name.
Nah, I'm not familiar with that, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, I've seen people post about it on TikTok and stuff because it's like it's a joke about the anime name, bro. Whatever. I haven't watched it, but listen, I brought it up to him and I brought up the name and I was like, "Isn't that a crazy name?" And he just clipped me saying the name. So it's like me saying that, and I'm like, "Bro, are we
Dang.
serious right now? Are we serious?" Bro, look at the emoji Drew sent to chat.
Bro, I have some clips of you saying some pretty devious stuff too, bro.
Bro, I have some clips of you saying pretty devious stuff, bro. Bro. Guys, bro, look, it's a mod in chat. Yo. Everybody bow down to the mod.
Yep, I'm putting this guy in timeout. Everyone like the stream or else you're getting perma.
Oh, it's being Marshall now.
Bots
Ban
ban everybody.
Ban everyone. I want to
Ban
find
everyone right
I
now.
want to see that clip, bro. What do you even do? Why would you even do that, bro? Because now you're gonna have nobody to pay your bills, bro. It's like the only reason I stream is to pay my bills.
Bro, ban everyone's actually insane. Dog.
Does he even stream anymore?
All right, lock in, bro.
Crimea River, get fucking banned permanently, you piece of fucking shit. Fuck you.
Damn, bro, that's gonna lower my monetization on YouTube.
Do we have anything
Everyone!
for like a 2 minutes?
Ban everyone now! I want all my viewers perma'd!
Hello, bro.
Wasn't even a temporary ban either. He wanted them all permanent perma ban, bro.
Just watch the charts, bro.
This is my reaction after missing 2 trades today.
Yeah, we took out Lennon highs. We're in the macro, bro.
Look what I sent to the chat.
I don't care, bro.
We don't have anything to target here. What are you even looking for, bro? You're gonna revenge trade for missing your setups today.
I'm looking for anything I can possibly get.
Like anything, bro. Literally, like, bro, would you take a 15-second right now? Is that how desperate you are?
Yes. It's not desperation. It's motivation. There's a difference between desperation and being locked in. And I just have this foresight to see these 15-second setups that someone of your mental capacity can't comprehend.
Bro, Ian, look at the YouTube chat, bro. This is my reaction to missing 2 setups today.
Looking. I already saw it.
Good boy. You Ian, look
So
at
let's
Discord.
go over those 2 misses.
You Ian, look at Discord.
Two-minute inverse.
Yo, Ian, look what I sent you.
I saw.
No, I haven't sent.
Why would you
TV
say
yet.
that, bro? It's actually like a slur.
Bro? Look what I sent you. This is me when I win my trade. Bro, why is it not sending it? Just
Animate GIF.
Why did it not send it, bro?
I don't know, bro.
I'm gonna send that to my server one day.
But I don't know how people find these on Discord, bro.
Yo, yeah, I don't know how you find them because they're not like you can't look them up. Nothing shows up if you type that in. Let me see. Or why wouldn't it send it, bro? The only one I like out of any of these is the one I sent, and it just sent a link. Oh, there we go. That's my reaction when I win my
charts, bro.
trade. That's my reaction when I win my trade. Ian, that's my reaction when I win my trade.
Bro, look at the charts.
Look what I sent you.
Bro, I saw it the first time, dude.
I only sent it once.
You sent the link to it, and I clicked on the link.
You're in the 2-minute inverse. Okay. Okay,
What's
cool.
the 2-minute inverse? Go to the 2?
I'm on the 2.
You're just delayed. Never mind. Okay.
I don't like it.
I can possibly.
But don't keep me from taking your trade.
What's the target?
I don't even know, dude. I'm done for the day, dude. I'm definitely not getting anything.
Bro, you know what? Bro, since you're close to a payout and you didn't take any trades, you just need to trade like lunch, PM, Asia.
I'm not close to a payout. I just took a payout. Well, okay, my accounts are close to the target, but I need a minimum of 8 days, and I only have 2.
Oh, yeah.
No, but you know what I can do? I can get some of the break-even days out the way. I could just take a 1 micro and close it instantly later. Get a trading day out the way. Because I can do 3 break-even days. I only need 5 winning days in order to get the payout. Sucks that we missed the setups today, but just forcing anything would be stupid, to be honest. And honestly, I've come so far on my trading journey where I don't even feel the need to take a trade right now. Don't get me wrong. I'm a little irritated
I can't believe we made it this far.
Shut up! I'm excited. I'm like, don't get me wrong. I'm a little annoyed that we missed the setups. But like, pretty much for the most part, like, nothing was too perfect today. Don't get me wrong. They were good setups. They were worth taking. They were good enough to take, right? But they weren't like, it wasn't anything like crazy. Obviously, I'm still a little like bummed out that I missed them, but like, I've got to the point where I don't really care to force anything.
Yo, look at your phone.
I don't have my phone. I can't be on my phone for the next 45 seconds until it's 11. From 9:30 market open to 11 a.m. I'm not allowed to touch my phone.
Good boy. What do you send me stuff on then? You literally say like, it's a new rule.
Well, I sent you something on Discord.
Ah.
I didn't send
Alright,
you
go
anything
get your
on
phone.
Instagram. No, I still have 20 seconds.
Bro, I'm playing with my cat. I want to show you this video.
Okay, well, I'll look in the video in a second.
It's not a video, it's FaceTime.
I can't believe we made it this far.
I'm gonna
I
bomb
can't
your
believe
house.
we made
You
it
don't
this
look.
far. Yo, what are we talking about? All right, I'm gonna go get my phone. It's 11.
Bro, if you don't look at this video of me playing with my cat.
Alright, let me see.
Bro,
Do you hear him?
We're lucky. My cat wouldn't play with that.
Really?
Yeah.
You hear?
What? She's not making any sounds that I can hear.
What?
No, I didn't hear any sounds. Ask Jackson if he took anything today.
I will.
He probably took that mech model, to be honest. Or maybe that long. That long was pretty good.
Bro, he brought this toy like into my room from downstairs like a dog.
Like he grabbed it and brought it up.
Yeah, he grabbed it and brought it up in his mouth. Like, watch, bro. Hold on. So I walk into the hallway. Probably gonna bring it over there.
How did everybody do today? Did anybody take anything? We got 30 people in here. I want to see if you guys took anything
Yeah, look.
before we get off stream here. Just talk with you guys for a couple minutes. Let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know what's up with you. Ooh. Sound like Juice WRLD. Let me know if you took anything. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Let me know what's up with you. Ooh. Bro, hurry up. I don't see your cat bringing a toy.
I know he gave up, bro.
Yeah, he did give up. All right, nobody got anything in chat? That's fine. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get off. Thank you guys for joining up. We had a pretty good stream today. Bro, Ian, you know what our max viewers were today on stream? Actually, I'm probably going to wait until it ends in order to see, but it says on here 47. I think it was a little bit higher. I'm not gonna lie. I think it was a little bit higher. All right, guys, I'm going to end stream. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I mean, if you're in the Discord, I'll talk to you, but no trades today. See you guys.